Sandra Park, bakit kulang ang exposure sa music video nila ni Apple de Ap? Matapos i-release ang collaboration song nila ni Apple de Ap ng Black Eyed Peas, nagpaliwanag naman si Sandra Park sa kanyang mga fans kung bakit kakaunti lamang ang kanyang naging exposure niya sa music video. In fairness, ang lakas ng maka-summer vibe ng bonggang collaboration ng K-pop star na si Sandra Park at ng Filipino-American rapper na si Apple de Ap. Umani ng positibong reaksyon ang collaboration song nina Sandra at Apple, pero may ilang netizen na nabitin dahil sandali lang ang exposure ni Sandra sa music video. Ang tinutukoy namin ay ang Too Proud, na mapapakinggan na ngayon sa iba't ibang streaming platforms. Ibinahagi ni Sandra sa madlang people kung paano nila binuo ni Apple ang music video ng Too Proud. FYI, I don't have that much exposure in the video of Too Proud crying emoji. It was 2020 when we first talked about this collaboration and Apple de Ap asked me to go to LA to record the song and shoot the video. I was super excited, pahayag ni Dara, ngunit na-postpone nga ang kanilang MV shoot dahil sa mga restrictions na ipinatupad sa South Korea sa kasagsagan ng COVID-19 pandemic. But, you know, that was the time the pandemic started and I couldn't go out of the country. So I had no choice but to record it in Korea and shoot the video in a chroma key and send them to Apple de Ap, and that's how we made this music. Ani ni Sandra, ni-reveal din ng K-pop idol na hindi talaga naging madali ang proseso ng first collaboration nila ni Apple. It was not easy process but I really love the song. And it came out really nice. I love Apple de Ap music so much. Hope you guys will like it too. So happy to finally release it. Say ni Sandra. Samantala, nag-share rin si Apple de Ap ng kanyang mensahe para kay Sandra sa pamamagitan ng kanyang official social media account. At Daraksit Sandra and I have wanted to work together for years. We had been kicking around songs that could possibly work, and wouldn't you know, during the pandemic we finally got the track. I love it and I hope you'll do too, sabi pa ng Black Eyed Peas member sa Instagram. Saad ng singer-songwriter na magkakaroon din ng dance routine ng Too Proud, dance routine coming soon. Na sinagot naman ni Sandra ng, at Apple de Ap oops. Let's do it. Matatanda ang sumikat si Sandra sa Pilipinas matapos manalo ng second place sa talent show na Star Circle Quest. Isa rin si Sandra sa naging member ng YG Entertainment K-pop girl group na Tonewan na nagsimula pa noong 2009. Si Apple de Ap naman ay miyembro ng Black Eyed Peas na kilala sa kanilang mga sikat na song tulad ng Where is the Love, I Got a Feeling, at Ima B.